Okay, we've got our head here. We've sanded it all down. We've got everything connected inside where we want it. So we're ready to seal it, and I'm just going to use this wood filler. I put some in here. I add a little bit of water to it just to make it a little more pasty. So now, like I said, where we got these that we put these in, we're going to cover those up. Just use a little water on your finger if you need to spread it some. And then where we have the ears, we'll put some in there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. I just spread it completely out with my finger. Close up these two holes. And the ear hole. But we're going to do the entire head with this. This will seal up all your little scratches and marks you might have from carving on it. We'll seal it up, let it set overnight, and then we'll go in and we'll sand it all down, and then we'll touch up spots that need to be touched up again with this filler, and then we should be ready to base paint it. Spread it on pretty thick, so make sure we get everything nice and sealed. Like I say, just use a little water on your finger if you want to smooth it out. So we'll continue, we'll get the head all done, we'll do the mouth, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.